What?
Can I make you a video of me?
Maybe?
You know what? Fuck you.
You wanna fuck me?
No.
Desiree!
That's disgusting.
Good.
I'm a lesbian. You may be, but I'm not.
Thanks for calling me a lesbian.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm just here to watch you mess up your hair.
Oh, it's gonna get messed up because I'm gonna brush it out and redo it. If you
No! We have to go for breakfast.
It's gonna be lunch. Are you gonna get breakfast or lunch?
I don't know.
I'm gonna get lunch.
What's gonna be for lunch?
Whatever we pick off on menu. How the fuck am I supposed to know what to tip that bitch?
Oops. I just like covered up your face. It doesn't look high enough.
Huh?
Your hair doesn't look big enough.
I want it to be really big.
Good, because it's not.